Hello everyone, this is Simon from Supergear Performance. We are installing the new RF7 Riser setup on a 2024 Road Glide CVO ST. The RF7 comes in both straight and pullback version. So we offer an 8, 10 and 12 inches options in multiple colors. We will need for the install. Along with the riser itself, you will also find the bushings, the solid copper washers, mounting bolts, and we also include a CAN bus extension module in the box. First thing we need to do is to remove the stock risers and loosen everything up. Take your time during this step and make sure all the cables and wiring have enough slack before pulling anything apart. Next, let's clean up the mounting holes. So for this setup, we're using our own Supergear Performance 333. And the riser mounting spacing matches the factory 3.5-inch specification. Also, the riser is designed to work with a 1-inch handlebars only. Now, let's mount the riser into the stock position. If you are using the factory top 3, you won't need these two copper washers. But since we are running our own 333 along with the inverted suspension setup, make sure to install them during assembly. And by this way, our inverted from suspension system was specifically designed for Harley-Davidson touring models, so feel free to check out our other videos if you want more details on that setup. Now torque the riser bolts down to 45 feet lb to secure everything firmly onto the top 3. Now let's install the handlebar onto the riser. This step is mainly for test fitting and checking cable alignment. Next, I'm going to install the top 3 onto the stem nut. Torque these bolts to around 20 feet lb to ensure proper installation. Alright, let's put the handlebar back on. Now, install the top cover and make sure the Supergear Performance logo is facing toward correctly. Now everything is coming together, we're almost done. Next, let's reconnect all the wiring. Reconnect the control and the throttle sensor. Then use the routing clamp to secure the wiring and clutch cable. For this setup, I'm routing the brake line on the right side and separating the clutch cable. If you want an even cleaner look with more organized cable routing, we also recommend upgrading your setup through one of our authorized dealers. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more installs and new product releases. Thanks you guys for watching, and see you again the next time.